Hi, I'm Monty McKinnon. Thank you for joining me. Well, today is graduation day, and it is the last time that we will have a chance to see this guitar in here because it will be going to a new home very shortly. And I just wanted to give you a little bit of a preview. I can't play it, sorry, but it's got some great sustain. It vibrates beautifully. I can feel that even now against my chest and with my hand. This is going to be a very nice guitar for somebody that's going to be picking this up very soon. So let's have a quick review. It's a Rosewood, and it's got a French polish on it. It's got a nice shine. The top is pretty nice. This is a piece of Brazilian, and we've got some Brazilian up in here, and on the back here we've got Brazilian. The neck, by the way, is a mahogany neck with a volute that's up in here. People seem to like to be able to get their hand in there to hold it when they play so they can make whatever they need to make there. They like the cutaway for sure. And we've got a nice little tail wedge in here. And all in all, it's a Sitka top, and it's got go-to tuners on it. And the action is slightly high for where I would like it. I would like it a little lower, but the reason I don't know how it's going to be played, and I don't know whether they're hitting it hard with a pick or whatever they're doing, but whatever the case may be, we need to do something to see that they're able to play this thing whenever they want. So that's it. It's hard to believe, but I was actually going to saw this guitar in half and throw it in the garbage. I had a slight little blemish in the back here that occurred, and I was very unhappy about that. And so it sat behind me in all the videos. When you look at some of my other videos, you'll see this guitar hanging up back here just over top of the book. And oh my goodness, I can't believe it. I really wanted to throw it out, but a friend of mine talked me into finishing it and putting a neck on it. So it's all done. It's good. And it's time to move on. We have a new project coming. I took a look at my inventory. I already have a Sitka top made. I have bracing all located underneath the bench here. And I picked up a Australian Blackwood back and sides, so it looks like there's another guitar. I don't know what to do with that yet, so I need to hear from you. Do we do a cutaway? Do I do a Florentine where it comes into the point? Do I make a traditional guitar, which I kind of lean to, but I'd like to hear what you think. So in the comments below, would you tell me what you think I should be doing with the next one? Because it's very likely, and in fact it will be my last acoustic guitar. I may do something different after that. I like a mandolin idea too, and I like a banjo idea, and I like a classical guitar, but this is it with this next one. That'll be all. So that's it. I'm heading upstairs, have a cup of tea. Thank you for joining me. I do need to hear from you, so let me know. And subscribe if you like the videos. And by all means, I'll look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye for now. So long, buddy. Can't believe we hung around here so long together. Well, that's it. Oh, feel that. It just keeps going. Wow. Well, Dave, I think you'll be happy.